If your Android phone is stuck in the safe mode, which is definitely restricts its functionality and doesn't let you use any third-party apps, so I'll show you how to escape from your safe mode and watch till the end, because in the end I'll give you a valuable advice. So let's go through a couple methods. The first one and the most obvious one is to locate your power button and your volume up button. So hold them together. On some smartphones it may be volume down button or simply the power button, so try any of those combinations. And simply choose reboot or power off. Both of those options are legible and they will fix this problem. The next way is to fix some troubleshooting app which causes this. So open up your settings, then locate your apps. Usually third-party app or maybe it's a system app, so I recommend you to think which app have you installed the last, right? So let's choose any application. For example, let it be booking. After that, we gotta locate our data usage, storage, right? And here make sure to clear data. If it has any cache, simply press clear data and clear it. If it's still not helping, simply press uninstall, confirm your choice, and uninstall this application. After that, try to reboot your phone again, and it may be helpful. So some applications may have notifications that you're in the safe mode. Some things have this option. Unluckily on my phone it's not available, but keep in mind and don't forget to check it out. Maybe there will be a button which you're just to click and you will be sent to your usual mode. The next thing is to do our soft reset or force restart, right? So locate your power button and your volume up button and simply hold them together until your screen will go dark. So it will take like 15 seconds or something like this. Simply hold it. Now release the buttons and wait until your phone is going to be rebooted. If nothing else helps, we have only two options left. So let's start with the first one, and the first one is to put your phone into recovery mode. So hold your power button and your volume up button. Hold them together simultaneously. When your screen lights up, release a power button, but keep on holding the volume up button. And hold until you will be spawned into recovery menu. Great. Here, simply choose reboot. You can navigate through it with volume up and volume down buttons. So choose reboot option, press your power button to choose whether you want to be back to main menu and reboot to system. I want to reboot to system and wait until your phone reboots. So the last but not least is to perform a factory reset if everything goes terrifically bad and nothing is working. So open up your settings. After that, press About Phone tab, or it may be in the system depending on your phone model. Choose Factory Reset, scroll down, press Erase all data, confirm your PIN, press Next. You shall do a backup or make sure that you have it. And after that, simply press Factory Reset. But basically that is it. And here is a bonus advice. So if you want to never have these problems in future, make sure to clean your cache regularly and make sure not to install apps from some unknown and untrusted sources, because this may be a virus. But basically that is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.